See how to play first line. Third line. One by one. Samaya, your mic is on. Are you going to play something? Samaya, your mic is on. Are you going to play? Okay, play. Play then. Yeah.
बच्चों का वो अपना कुछ कुछ लगे रहते हैं, हम अपने काम में लगे रहते हैं, धीरे धीरे बोल रहे जाते हैं। पापा का भी नहीं लगता ना, वो शॉप वगैरह करते हैं, आदत होती है काम की।
Okay. Fine, Samaya. I heard your first and second line you were playing. You should please mute.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, please.
The notes that are like the D which is written on the F sharp and D that is written on Alabama and D that is written on banjo, those are the left hand chords, right?
Yeah, these are the left hand chords. We will do the left hand chords today. We will start left hand chords practice today.
Okay. So when the song is being played, so D, E, F sharp, and simultaneously the kid will press D.
Yes, D chord.
D chord. Yes.
D chord means chord is having more than 3 notes or 3 notes together to be played together. Like this.
Okay.
When we are pressing 3 notes, mostly 3 notes, this is a combination of mostly 3 notes.
Okay.
So when we are playing these 3 notes together, that is the chord.
Okay.
I'm going to play it for you. We are doing something else, that is C sharp A. For D major we are doing D F sharp A. So these all things we will discuss in today's class. Don't worry.
Okay.
We will do.
Aruna, focus.
You should go for right hand only. Oh, you have bought a new keyboard. Are we?
Yes, we did.
Oh,
The
great.
88 keys one, yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I didn't notice this thing. Great, beta. Now you should please keep your practice on this good keyboard. Okay. You have a good piano now in your hand, so learn good. Okay. Very good. Okay. Anyone is playing this one? O Susanna, properly with right hand only. Then we will proceed for the next part of the classes, means what we are going to learn today. Okay. As I told you in the previous classes also, that you can share your video. It will save our time. In class, we will do something else if you are going to share your videos of your practice. Okay. And moreover, it will be an inspiration for others. If you are sharing something by playing and you are sharing that in group, So it will be an inspiration for others that you are doing a good practice. So keep sharing your videos, keep playing, keep sharing the videos, so that we can save the class time and utilize this time in learning something else. Okay, rather we go for learning the same things again and again. I just don't want to repeat the things. Okay, if you are going to learn the thing and you are going to play it in your video, and moreover that is more clearer that you are showing your practice in a video. I can watch that properly, that how you are doing, what mistake or what improvement you need to do. Okay, now we are, as I told you, that we will be doing the left hand chords. So be active with the left hand. Before we go to learn the chord, let me tell you that chords are the combination of 3 notes to be played together. And we are going to categorize the chords in different manners. And I will explain you that how these chords are made, why these particular notes are, what particular notes we are doing in playing a chord, and what is the reason of doing those particular notes. Okay, so those all things we will be doing. So we are going to categorize the chords in very simple manner. And wait. Yeah. The first chord you need to know is C major. You can see I have put my fingers on 3 particular notes: C, E, G. C, E, G, my left hand. C, E, G. Ring, index and thumb on C, E, G. Ring finger on C, index finger on E, thumb finger on G. And this is in the second octave I am doing. You can do the same. I can show you the image just a minute. Yeah. Now you are going to see the image of C major chord. Otherwise, we had to do something like can you see C major? Just a minute. 1 minute. I am sharing some another tab. 1 minute. Yeah. Now you can see. It's C, E, G. Can you see this? C, E, G. To be played with three fingers, particularly ring finger on C, index finger on E, and thumb on G. Try to play this with the left hand. Keep playing. Yeah, did you understand C major? Did you understand C major?
Yes.
Yeah. In the same category, we have another chord. This is D minor.
आप ये सब चैट में शेयर करेंगे या लिखे हम नोट्स बनाए इनके लिए?
ये आपको पिक्चर सेंड करूंगा मैं आपको।
ठीक है, हाँ, क्योंकि इनको याद नहीं रहेगा बच्चों को ना।
सिंपली मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, ये सिर्फ व्हाइट नोट्स वाले कॉर्ड है जो हम कर रहे हैं, ये सारे व्हाइट नोट्स वाले कॉर्ड हैं। और आपने नोटिस किया तो ये एक नोट छोड़ के हम जा रहे हैं। जैसे पहले हमने बजाया फर्स्ट, थर्ड और फिफ्थ नोट, पर हम जा रहे हैं सेकंड, फोर्थ और सिक्स्थ नोट। सो इस CEG-DFA, so we will proceed in the same manner and the next will be EGB.
Okay.
So it will be easier to understand.
Does it matter which octave?
Second octave. We are doing in second octave, one octave only. All these chords are going in one octave. So, just a minute, I am taking my camera here. See, now focus on this. CEG. I am just moving my one finger towards right side and DFA. One finger I am moving and one note. CEG, DFA, EGB, FAC, GBD, ACE, and BDF is not a chord, but we are doing BDF and CEG. See again. CEG, DFA, EGB, FAC, GBD, ACE, BDF and CEG. Samaya, you are not doing anything. Please do, beta. Yeah, any confusion? Just a minute. I'm taking my camera to my face and showing you the pictures I have in my laptop. This is in my hard disk drive. Just 1 minute. I'm sharing the things again. Just a minute.